Welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how you can install Java 25 on your system in the most easiest way possible. So there are a number of ways to get started with the installation. I'm going to use the simplest process here, which is using a command line tool, which is available for Mac and Linux. That is called SDKman. This is the link to the installation. If you don't have SDKman installed, you just have to run this command in your terminal and it will get installed for you. Once you've got SDKman installed, you can just check it using SDK-help. If you see this menu, then you're good to go. Now let us check which versions are available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type SDK list Java. So this will give us all the related Java versions which are available in the repository for SDKman. As you can see, we've got the different vendors here. We've got Oracle, Xamarin is another vendor. So we are interested in Oracle JDK 25. You also have OpenJDK. If you go to the somewhere you'll also have this option here. We've got AWS Cornetto, but let's go for, there's also Graalvm, but let's go for Oracle JDK. So what I'm going to do now is you can just do a grep here. Grep Oracle. So you'll see only the ones which are from Oracle, and if you just do a grep here, grep 25, so you get the exact name of the string that you have to give to the install command. So the command syntax is here. You can refer the examples. So the specific version you want to install, you have to just type SDK install Java, and I'm just going to paste the string we copied here, not this. Let's go for 25-Oracle and just hit enter. In my case, it is already installed, but if it's not installed for you, it will take a couple of minutes for the installation depending on your internet speed. And once you have that, you have the option to set it as the default, which I have done here. So I'm just going to do Java -version, and you'll see I've got Java 25 here. So let's go to IntelliJ and create a Hello World project. I'm going to use the Ultimate Edition for IntelliJ. You have to use version 2025.2 minimum. So I'm going to create a new project here, and let's keep it as Java. Let's call it as Java 25. From the drop down here, you have to select the JDK 25. So if the installation went well for you, you'll see it under the detected JDK. So I'm going to select this, and I don't want any sample code here. So I think the build system is also IntelliJ, which is good. Let's go ahead and create this. So here I have an empty project of Java 25. So first thing you can do is create a new Java class, or you can just create a file. Let's call this as hello.java, right? And if you're aware of the theory, we don't need to create classes in Java anymore. So you can just straight away write void main here. And the system.out.println has been replaced with a factory method, which is io.println. And as you can see, GitHub Copilot, the plugin is suggesting me the auto completion. So if you don't have this plugin, you can add this as well. But for now, my job is to run this Java application. So let's run it, and we expect to see Hello World getting printed in the console. So as you can see, we have Hello World here. There was no class in this example at all. Although it internally makes a class, the user is not expected to make it. And we don't have the long signature for main method anymore. So it's pretty simple, compact, and very friendly for new starters. So that's how you install Java 25 in your system. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.